Question number 7. In the given figure, DE is parallel to BC. Prove that triangle ADE and triangle ABC are similar. Given that AD is equal to half of BD, calculate DE if BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter. And third part, if the area of triangle ABC is equal to 18 centimeter square, find the area of trapezium DBCE. Given DE is parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC. Angle A is equal to angle A. Common. Angle ADE is equal to angle ABC. Corresponding angles are equal by angle similarity. We get triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. First part proved. And second, given AD is equal to half of BD and calculate DE. BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter given. Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC, proved above. Then AD upon AB is equal to AD upon AB is equal to AB upon AC, that is equal to DE upon BC. AD upon AB is equal to AD plus BD. AB is equal to AD plus BD, that is equal to DE upon BC, and we have given BC and we want to find the value of DE. AD is equal to half of BD, which implies half of BD divided by half of BD plus BD, that is equal to DE upon BC is 4.5 given centimeter, which implies half of BD upon 2 multiplied by BD, that is 2 BD plus 1 BD, 3 BD upon 2. 2 is cancelled and BD is also cancelled. That is equal to DE upon 4.5, which implies DE is equal to 4.5 multiplied by 1 divided by 3, 4.5 divided by 3, that is 1.5. So DE is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Answer. And third part, area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 18 centimeter. And find the area of trapezium DBCE. DBCE. Area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle ABC, that is equal to side square DE square upon BC square. As we know that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides, that is DE square upon BC square is equal to AB square upon AC square is equal to AD square upon AB square. Which implies area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle ABC is equal to AD square upon AB square AD square upon AB square, that is equal to 1 upon 3 square. So area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle ABC, that is 18, is equal to AD square upon AB square. We get 1 upon 3, that is 1 upon 3 square, 3 3s are 9. So area of triangle ADE is equal to 18 divided by 9, that is equal to 2 centimeter square. So area of trapezium DBCE is equal to area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle ADE. That is equal to 18 minus 2, which implies area of trapezium DBCE is equal to 16 centimeter square. Answer: 18 minus 2 is equal to 16 centimeter square. Answer: given DE is parallel to BC and in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, angle A, both sides common, and ADE is equal to ABC, its corresponding angles, both are equal. By angle similarity, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC, first part proved. And given AD is equal to half of BD, BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC, then their corresponding sides are equal. AD upon AB is equal to AB upon AC is equal to DE upon BC. AD upon AB can be write it as AD plus BD, and given AD is equal to half of BD, we are putting AD is equal to half of BD. 2 multiplied by BD, that is equal to 2BD plus 1 BD is equal to 3 times of BD divided by 2. 2 is cancel, BD cancel, and we get 1 upon 3. AD upon AB we get 1 upon 3. That is equal to DE upon BC, and BC we have given 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 multiplied by left side 1, that is equal to 4.5, and divided by 3. 4.5 divides 3, we get 1.5 centimeter. Answer. And third part, area of triangle ABC given is equal to 18 centimeter square, and we find the area of trapezium DBCE. We find the area of trapezium DBCE, that is equal to area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle ABC is equal to DE square upon BC square. Area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle ABC, that is equal to DE square upon BC square, that is also equal to AD square upon AB square. And we find the value of AD upon AB is equal to 1 upon 3, and their square, then this will be 1 square is 1 and 3 square is 9. So AD upon AB square is equal to 1 upon 9. 18 multiplied by 1 divided by 9, that is equal to 18 divided by 9 is 2 centimeter square. We get area of triangle ADE. So area of trapezium DBCE, that is equal to area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle ADE. Area of triangle ABC given 18 centimeter square, and we find the area of ADE, that is 2 centimeter square. So area of trapezium DBCE is equal to 18 minus 2, that is equal to 16 centimeter square. Answer. Thank you.